Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Glossybox for June of 2020. This is the very first time that you guys are seeing Glossybox on my channel. They actually reached out to me and wanted me to receive their box. So, you guys, I actually have a discount code. I don't receive any money whatsoever. This is for you guys. If you guys use the code CONNOR, yes, it's spelled incorrectly, but that's okay. Just make sure to spell it incorrectly if you guys want to get 22% off your very first box. I don't really know much about the subscription, so I'm just gonna look it up and we're gonna read some stuff together and figure out exactly what this is and how much it costs, because I really don't know. Like, I've always heard of Glossybox, but I've never seen an unboxing for them, and I mean, I've never really looked into it. So Glossybox is, okay, so you get 5 premium beauty products worth over $60 every single month. So you're supposed to get over $60 worth of products. But how much do you cost? You're not telling me. Oh, okay, so it's $21 a month. So $21 a month and you get over $60 worth of products. Okay. So I would not say that the value is as good as, say, Boxycharm or IPSY, since it's just $4 more and you get like over, what, $150 worth of product. But depending on if there's actually like good products in here, would it actually justify that it's $21? I don't know. And then the value being $60. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna give it a very honest review. Honestly, this is the third subscription that I've ever gotten that they've sent me. So not them specifically. I've gotten a few other subscription boxes that are sent to me and I have, you know, PR, but this is the first like makeup subscription box, because honestly I don't ever think Boxycharm would ever send me PR ever, because like I have a very love-hate relationship with them. And IPSY, I don't even think they send out PR, if I'm being completely honest. I have no idea about that. But yeah, this is the first makeup subscription box that I've gotten sent to me, so you know, it's gonna be an honest review. They might send me another one, they might not, we'll have to see. But anyways, if you guys would like to show some support, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, so if you are a viewer, please do me the honor and go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh, I don't even need a knife. Okay, they have this little like pull tab. I'm trying not to like show my address though, because it's like in a really weird spot. So this is definitely new. I have not had a pull tab box before. Interesting. So, okay. Should we do with the, oh, how cute. It's a box within a box. Okay, wait, what is this pamphlet? $10 off your first order of wearlively.com. Never heard of it. Okay. So there's a box within a box. Got it. Great. So here's our Glossybox. Okay, first off, this is just like the Allure box, like how thick and nice the box actually is. So I can see why it's $21, because they're paying for this thick, nice box for sure. So anyways, let's open it. Okay, I'm so excited. Like, I've never had a Glossybox. I've never opened it. I don't know what to expect. Look at the inside. So freaking cute. Like, I've never had one, but oh my god. Look at how this is presented. Like, I don't know if everyone gets theirs presented this way or if it's because they sent it to me. It's like extra special, but like that is so cute. And then you just untie the little bow. Okay, so what is this? World of Beauty Glossybox. Also, let me know down below if you've ever heard of Glossybox before. And this, I guess, is gonna show me everything that has come in this box. And prices, maybe? Okay. So let's get into it. This is what it looks like. First off, hello, packaging, freaking 10 out of 10. IPSY and Boxycharm could never. I'm just being honest. Oh Lord. Okay, so far, just looking at what I have in here, I'm not impressed. I feel like the money you're paying for $21 a month is kind of going towards the packaging and the presentation more than the products. Again, I've never seen unboxings for this. I don't know what they normally offer, if this is just like, I don't know. This is just what I got. So the very first item here, which I don't even know, I feel like this might be a sample product. Oh yeah, this is a deluxe mini, so you don't even get full-size items for $21 a month. But this is from Kors, or Kores, C-O-R-R-E-S. Very, very familiar with the brand. It's a really great brand. This is a nourishing probiotic gel cream, time-released hydration, yogurt, gel cream nourish. Oh, that's in a different language, so I should not. You know, a lot of this is in a different language. I can't read it. But yeah, this is what this is. Oh, let me just... Can you see? There we go. Love a focus moment. Yeah, so this is what it is. It's a deluxe mini, and the deluxe size, which is 20 mils worth, is worth $18. So this little guy here is worth $18. This is something I could use up in maybe 2 weeks. So $18 for that? That's insane. The full size is 40 mils and is 36. So yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know. Okay, anyways, next up we have a liquid metal eyeshadow from Motto Co. And this retails for $19. I've never heard of this brand, but here's the packaging. I think you can get like equivalent to like Too Faced or Urban Decay or Huda Beauty or, you know, other brands that we've actually heard of for the same price, if not like a buck cheaper. So I don't know. Yeah, so here it is. Here is the packaging. Am I gonna use it? Well, yeah, of course I'm gonna use it. I have a whole drawer of these things that I absolutely love. And it's a super freaking gorgeous color too. But I just think that $19 is insane. But here is the shade. Super cute. Love it. I'm definitely gonna keep this and put it with the rest of my liquid eyeshadows. But I don't agree with the price for that, especially because I don't know who you are. Anyways, next up we have this little product, which is a deluxe mini, and it's a Lipo Serum. Lipo? Infusing skin with an all-day hydration to help repair and protect. So it's just supposed to hydrate your skin, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. Oh, I thought this would be like, you know, since it's like lipo, like it would like make your face smaller. A girl can dream. So this deluxe mini 9 milliliters worth of product is $22.50. Where are they finding these companies, and why do they think they can charge this much? There must be magic in this little bottle. So this is what it is. The brand is Decorte. So it's just hydrating moisture. Let me just do this little number. See, that's the bottle. You just give it a whiff. I mean, it just smells like skincare, I think. Okay, so it's made in Japan, so it must be a Korean or a Japanese brand. I'm not sure. But yeah, this little guy here, wow, $22.50. This better be magic in a bottle. Okay, and then next up, I have these two little items. Okay? These are facial moisturizers. The full size is fit 40 and 50. Oh, this is an extra treat. I was about to say, is this a part of like the price? It says extra treat. I was about to say, girl, this could not be an item. This could not be an item. This could not be an item, because this is like, you get like 50 of these as a free like purchase from like Ulta. Just, okay. So, okay, that makes me feel so much better. I was about to like completely cancel this box if this was an item. This is not an item. Don't freak out like me. Yeah, so this is from the brand High, the High 5 Cannabis Facial Moisturizer, and the High Expectations Facial Oil. Great. Love it. Okay, let's move on. Next up, we have from Tony Moly. Okay, so I've talked about them before. Phenomenal brand. Love it. They have like the best skincare I think I've ever like seen, you know, whatever. This is the Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. There is 8 wipes in here. I know I usually complain about wipes coming in a box, but let's see what their price is. Deluxe 8 count worth is $7. So this is a deluxe sample. There's only 8 tissues in here, and yeah, but for the price, $7, perfectly fine. Last time that I really complained about some makeup wipes, they were like 20 bucks and you barely got anything in there, and I was just like, no. But you know, you know, whatever. Let's just smell them because I'm intrigued by the scent. Oh yeah, they definitely smell peachy. They smell really good actually. Peach scent is kind of a trigger for my migraines, so I had to get rid of like my peach facial face and cheek palette, and I had to get rid of my Too Faced peach eyeshadow palette because the smell I couldn't do. But this smells almost less artificial and more natural smelling, so yeah. So I'm gonna actually put these back here. I will definitely give those a try, you know, wipe this off and whatnot. I'm not going to put anything fragrance like that actually on my skin because I'm sure it'll break me out. But anyways, let's move on. So this is from the brand Rodial. I've seen them a lot in Allure. This is a vitamin C energizing face mask, brighten and renew. And this little no. This retails for $18. Okay, so first off, I think this box is insane. Okay, first off, presentation, bougie. Am I right? I mean, bougie. Okay, it's like, this is like a pink Tiffany box, okay? But then the products in here are not that good. I mean, they're good, but they're not like $21 bougie packaging good. And that's just my personal opinion. Like, I don't want you guys to think that just because they sent this to me that like, oh, I want to like keep getting PR from them, but like, this is not it. This ain't it. Now, do I think I got my $21? Oh, I didn't pay for it, but if I did pay for it, did I get my $21 worth? I would say yes. You got your $21 worth, but all these products, would you actually pay like 60 bucks for like everything? Like, no. $18 for this mask? Absolutely not. I have a mascara from them. I haven't tried it yet. It's still in the plastic packaging because like I have a million mascaras, but $18 for this is a joke. Okay, so we got two full-sized items and three deluxe samples and a gift. $21 a month. I think this box is just like an Allure box, which I just unboxed my Allure June box right before this, and I feel like the value in the Allure box is a higher value with higher quality products for $15 versus $21. And yeah, because Allure's $15 a month. You get samples and full-size items in there always. But I feel like this one is just not a good box. Maybe it's just not a good month because of, you know, the pandemic and people not getting shipping orders, and we've noticed in Boxycharm and IPSY, you know, lots and lots of repeats, which, you know, I don't blame them. They're probably not getting anything in, which is probably the same thing for Glossybox. And I think this is like proof in the pudding that people who get sent free boxes don't always get the best stuff, because if you wanted to impress me with your very first box, you didn't impress me. But I mean, I don't know what else to say. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you guys think that this is worth $21? I want your honest opinion, please. And I do want to compare this to Allure. I was comparing Allure in my IPSY video to, I was comparing Allure to IPSY in my Allure unboxing right before this, because, you know, IPSY is $12 a month. You get 5 samples. And then Allure is $3 more, but you get full size and samples. Like, you always get full size and then samples too. But I feel like this one is also, I feel like between IPSY Glam Bag, $12 a month, Allure Beauty Box, $15 a month, and the Glossybox, $21 a month. Based off this one box, Allure takes the cake. I'm just saying. If I had to do like a IPSY versus Allure versus Glossybox, Allure wins. But anyways, enough talking about this. I really feel bad. I feel so bad that I'm like talking negatively about a box, but I mean, like, I don't know. I don't think this was a good box for $21. Items, they're okay, but I would be really mad to have paid $21 and gotten this stuff, considering, you know, I could pay $25 for Boxycharm and get like an Hourglass $40 blush. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. But anyways, that is it for this video. Again, all thoughts and opinions down below. I would love to hear them. Am I being absolutely ridiculous? Maybe. I don't know. Just let me know. in the comments below. I want to give you my real opinions. I don't want to lie to you guys, and yeah. Anyways, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!